It's your girl Lena, back with another video. Today, doing a little grocery shopping because we need groceries in the house. So I'm doing my grocery shopping today. But I'll be back and I'll show y'all some things that we're getting. Stop, girl! Look at my cutie. Look at her. She cute as a cucumber. Her sister not though. She up there acting up. Y'all look at my big girl walking. Elena, why are you standing like a basketball player?
She's gonna be hooping.
Ma'am.
They got fortune
Elena.
cookies. They sell fortune cookies.
Uh-oh. You went down. Get off the floor, girl. This is my list. I'm gonna get everything on the week, guys. Other stuff. Not even on those. Look at this buggy, y'all. Hey guys, so I'm back in the store and I'm gonna show y'all everything I got. But I'm just showing y'all everything in the bag for right now. See? Everything. Okay, guys, so this is all of the stuff. As you can see, it is a lot. I think so freaking grateful for having food stamps, and I'm glad that they went back up because, oh my god. These are bell peppers, avocado, accent. Oh. Peanut butter. Hamburger chips. Cooking spray. The dressing. I love this dressing. It's good to cook with too. And then these here. They were on sale. And then of course meat pies. Some beans. Yeah. Chili. Also got sauce, vegetables. Also this cornstarch. Seasonings. There's another one. Also got some bananas. Pop-Tarts. Cereal. My daughter. And then these. Taco seasoning. Oh yeah, forget it. Okay, I was showing y'all this basmati rice and then these popsicles. They good. My daughter put 3 boxes of them in the cart. And I didn't know, but I went ahead and got them, so yeah. And I got the Italian ice. And she stuck these in the cart also. These 3 bottles of Powerade. I also didn't know she stuck those in there. So, yeah. She was grocery shopping for herself, too. Oh, I got this for work because they really good. But if you like salt, you might want to get you some salt to add to it. Some salami. I love salami. Cheese. No cheese. Okay, so that's everything of all the groceries I got. And oh wait, that's everything on the table. But this is the meat that I got. Some steak. Under this is some chicken wings and chicken breast. So I'm just gonna let y'all look at me show y'all. Okay, y'all, this is the buns I got by Market Side. They really good, so I suggest y'all try them. And then I got this Nature's Own butter bread, then Nature's Own honey wheat. I'm putting all this
about to clean it out.
Don't mind it, you know. But I'm about to clean it, so finna show y'all. Hey guys, so that's the end of the video. But if you made it, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next. Peace.